Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. This is Salman Al Hassan. Today I will talk about something. Many think discipline is restriction, but actually, discipline gives freedom. A disciplined person can control their time and life. Without discipline, people get stuck in laziness and chaos. Daily discipline reduces future stress. Discipline saves you from unnecessary decisions. True freedom comes when you have self control. Disciplined habits make you stronger. If you follow discipline today, you will have less regret tomorrow. Discipline is the simplest path to achieving goals. So, if you want freedom, become disciplined fast. So that's all, friends. See you next time. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye. Thank you.